G Suite is a set of cloud computing, productivity, and collaboration tools that are designed to increase efficiency for small to large businesses. G Suite was first launched on August 28th of 2006 and now has just over 5 million paid users. G Suite has a very user-friendly platform and is extremely easy to use for not people who are familiar with it and who aren't. The three payment plans that they have are basic, business, and enterprise. Depending on what your business needs to do and how much they want to get out of it, basically depends on what type of plan they want to use. So, the basic, which a lot of small businesses use, has 30 gigabytes of cloud storage and is $6 per user per month with an unlimited amount of users. The second is business. This is $12 per user per month and has all of the same basic amenities as basic with enhanced security. The top level plan has advanced controls, and this runs $25 per user per month and has data loss prevention, audit reports for user activity, and a cloud identity premium. One of the things that is really unique about G Suite is that super admins can manage the users through things called organizational units, and they can restrict and apply policies on what people can see and access. Another thing that is unique about G Suite is groups make it easy for groups of people like teams, departments, and projects to collaborate and communicate. And you can group these people together and send out mass emails, share documents, and invite people to them, and it's super easy to use.
So some benefits of G Suite are is there's an increased document sharing. So collaboration is key in a small business, and I think we all know that. But with G Suite, you can really easily share files and with fellow team members while using your Team Drive. The Team Drive is located up here in the top right corner. You go to Drive, and here is where you can see your drive by yourself. That will be where all your documents are usually saved. And as you see where it just highlighted, you've been added to a shared drive. That is my team or my small business. A shared drive. This is where you see all your shared drives. Next, there's an increased file storage as well, as you saw in the drive area. That is where your increased file storage is. I believe, or we believe as G Suite, that file storage is becoming a big problem in big corporations and including small corporations. Mailbox storage has tripled in size over the past couple of years, research says, and it needs to be grown, enlarged, and it needs to be retained. So as G Suite, we actually allow an unlimited cloud storage. Yes, that means unlimited, as much as you want. You can use the Google Drive every day to collaborate on press and product, any of your notes that you guys share in meetings or anything like that as well. You can also have your own domain name, which is located down here in the bottom left-hand corner. You can manage your own domain names, or if you look in the whitelist domains, there's some created domain names that you may buy, and G Suite allows you to do that. So if you go into manage domain names, you can see that our domain name is mav-enterprises.com, and from here we can add another domain name or just manage our own. We can redirect it to a naked domain name, or just use it as our own primary domain name. So that's where you can find that. Another thing is you can manage your team's email accounts, and where you'll find that is back up in the apps area. Go to Gmail, and from here you can see that yes, I am under my own email address right here, but as well I can get the whole team's address. You see we haven't finished our setup progress yet because we're using this as an example. You can also change your profile image. We also teach you how to use Gmail if you're a first time user, and you can set a signature, which is also very creative. Next, you can see your multiple email aliases. So that goes along with the users, and that goes along with the email thing I was just talking about. Right here you can see all our people in our small business, and each of them has their own customized email. For example, example 2, Logan has his own, I have my own, And Bethany also has her own, so very, very productive in that area. G Suite also uses a single sign-in method, so I'm going to do this for you guys so you can see this on your own. I'm going to go back into G Suite. I'm going to hit sign in. It's going to ask you to enter your domain name. This is part of the two-step verification process that G Suite does for security purposes. As you can see, since I was already logged in, I got added right back into the admin console, but usually it will go to the next page. It will say, what is your username? Ask for your password. You enter in your username, which is usually whatever name you gave, at your email, which would be at your domain name, and then the password after that. Next, you use customized interface, and this is also a very, very nice addition. So we'll go to the company profile for this, and what this means is that you can upload your own company logo. So we'll go down to personalization, and instead of using Google's logo for all your stuff, and you would think that, G Suite, we want to get our name out there. No, we want your business to be your business. We just want to help you out to be the best as you could be. So right here, you can see you can either use the default Google logo for all your services, or go to custom logo, select file to upload, and it must be a PNG or a GIF format, and you can update and have your own company logo on there. Going back, G Suite just seems to be seamless experience to all devices. We actually allow, no matter what, if you're on a Mac, if you're on your Apple iPhone, an Android, Microsoft, we allow all users to store and share data in the cloud while synchronizing their files and connecting you in real time.
Advantages of G Suite include a business email, which gives businesses the ability to have a more professional look to their email address by using their company name. Unlimited storage space for all files. Updates in real time, which enhances team collaboration and productivity. Enhanced data security, and cost savings. The market size for this platform is large and continues to grow. Since the launch of G Suite, there are now more than 5 million paying businesses using this platform, with 1 million who joined in the past year. These businesses span from small businesses like JP Goodwin Realtors and Mobile One to companies as large as ATB Financial and Verizon. This helps businesses of all sizes to schedule appointments, collect surveys, which reduces paper use, as well as to communicate with each other without being in the same place, and to overall be more organized and efficient with their time. G Suite also has apps, some of which include Google Calendar, which allows team members to sync their calendars, Google Hangouts, which allows team members to video chat without being in the same place, and Google Vault, which allows storage of information. You can also download apps onto G Suite. Some apps include Google Analytics and DocuSign. The support infrastructure for G Suite is a 24/7 support system from a real person, which is included in the subscription to G Suite. You can chat, call via phone, or email. The ease of adoption of G Suite may depend on the size of the company. General training should be done for users to have a basic understanding of the software, but the support option is extremely helpful for any further issue a user may have. The cost of G Suite? There are 3 different plans. A flexible plan, which is a $6 per month per user. A business plan, which is $12 per month per user. And an enterprise plan per month per user,